Hello guys and welcome to English by Alaa. So have you ever wondered what's inside the mosque? And what's the purpose for each part? In English, let's learn that. So first things first, this is a mosque. Again, mosque. So mosque, this is the place where Muslims pray. The verb is to pray. Pray. Mosque. And these are some pictures taken by me of mosques from the inside. There we go. Number 2, minaret. Minaret. So minaret, this is the high tower from which Muslims are called to pray. Minaret. Word number 3, prayer niche. Prayer niche. Niche. So the prayer niche, this is the part that indicates the Qibla, the directions. Yeah? So we are directed towards Mecca, Kaaba. Yeah. So again, prayer niche. The next word, pulpit. Pulpit. Then this is a lantern. A lantern. Of course, in old days, this is usually an oil lantern. Lantern. These huge things are called pillars. Pillars. That's all. Thank you for watching.